What is up today, YouTube? Today I will be teaching you how to make a French press. What you're going to need is some of your favorite coffee. Got mine right here. Your French press and a way to heat water. An electric kettle is really useful. Alright, so what you're going to do is take some of your favorite coffee. You're going to want it ground for a French press, a coarse grind. You don't want too fine or else it'll be bitter. You're going to put some of your grinds. That looks about good. About 2 scoops worth of fresh coffee. Now I get my beans from Sheba Coffee and Tea, and I get whole bean and then I grind it myself here, fine. But they can do whatever grind you need. Then you're gonna heat up your water. You want to get to around 195 or so. I mean, these take it to 212 and then they cut off. They boil. So then let it cool for just a second, which I have. And you kind of slowly pour it in. You want to cover all the beans. Then you should start to see bubbles to form, and that's the gases coming out of the coffee beans. That's a good sign that you have nice fresh beans. And you'll notice. And then you're gonna, depending on how much you're doing, 4 to 8 minutes is what you're gonna do. And the nice thing about French press is you can play with the grind size, the water temperature, the amount of coffee, and how long you let it sit. And playing with those will vary and change the strength and the taste of the French press. One reason why I like French press is it really brings out the flavor of the different coffee beans. So you're going to want to use a pretty decent bean, a good quality coffee bean. And like the different regions of where the coffee is grown, you'll actually be able to taste the differences in the coffee by preparing it the way the French press. So we're going to let this sit, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. It's been about 6-7 minutes now, and I'm going to take the top of the French press, stick it on here, gently press down, all the way down. There's the French press. And enjoy. Smells great. And I'll leave a link down below for where I get my coffee. I'm really happy with them, so let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite way to make coffee? We'll see you next time.